Welcome to Career Close-Up, a video series from Silicon Republic in partnership with IDA Ireland, in which our journalists speak to senior professionals in key Sci-tech sectors from across the country to learn more about their journey through the ranks.
I'm Colin from Silicon Republic, and I'm joined here by Paul Kelleher, the Vice President of Engineering at Qualcomm Ireland. Thanks for being with us, Paul.
Thank you.
What first stirred your interest in a career in this area?
So when I was younger, I was very interested in maths and physics, and I was heavily involved in sports. So to be honest, my sister filled up the CEO form and put down engineering. She knew I was good at solving problems, logistics and logical thinking. So that made her think that engineering would be a good fit for me. Turned out to be true. So very grateful to her to have picked my career many years ago. From then I went into University of Limerick. It was a very good fit for me in terms of the education program, the cooperative education internship program there as well allowed me to gain experience. And I was heavily influenced by three professors in Limerick, and to this day I still remember what they taught me. So this has been one of the key points of my career.
Paul's career took him from Dublin to Australia and eventually back to Ireland, where he now leads a global team from his native Cork.
A typical day, in the morning we have communications with our India sites, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Noida. And then in the afternoon we have San Diego coming online about 3 p.m. Around lunchtime we have our own internal meetings and catch-ups. So throughout the day it enables us to have global communication across all our major sites globally, and that helps us to get tasks done quickly. Also engage in what's happening on our SOCs. So time zone wise, it's really good that we're located here in Cork. It's one of the major advantages.
What were the biggest surprises or challenges you encountered on your career path? How did you deal with them?
I don't like surprises. I'm not one of those people that like to be surprised. I like to be proactive. I like to get ahead of the problem. Risk mitigation is always important, especially for a site of this size and growing ambitions. So we always look at what we did, what we didn't, what we learned, what we didn't learn, how we can improve. So surprises are something that I really don't like, and I want to be proactive than reactive, and that is one of the successes of the site here.
How do you manage your work-life balance?
I have two teenagers, so they keep me well balanced, besides being a full-time taxi and ATM machine for my two teenagers. I like sport. I do a lot of sport when I was younger. I like watching it now. I come from a farming background, so I do get pulled into doing jobs for my brother and my parents. So very grounding background, and also work-life balance. It's really important. The days are long, it can be stressful, and you have to manage. And it's one of the advices I give everybody here, have a good work-life balance.
If you could tell your past self something at the start of your career, what would it be?
Run fast, don't get caught, take risks, especially when you're building a site from scratch. I think learn from your mistakes. I learn more from my mistakes than my successes. I think, building a broad skills over your career will help you later in life. Be patient, build your communication skills, your networking. It's really important to be connected into a large company like Qualcomm, and enjoy life. I think that's one of the messages I would tell myself.
What is it about Cork that particularly appeals to you for your work and your life?
Well, I'm from Cork, so I'm a bit biased, but the universities, the environment, the ecosystem, the technology cluster here in Cork enables us to grow. We're here in the beautiful port of Cork. You can see it's a very vibrant area. It has everything we need, the communications, the transport, the talent. We have good neighbours around us, collaboration with other companies. So it's a good place to live, work, and just enjoy.
Paul says when it comes to working in the tech industry, building resilience is key.
This is a long career in an industry that has ups and downs. You need to build out your skills. Don't be reliant on one skill. Be skilled across multiple areas, everything from writing code, verification, back-end, DFT. That will help you become a much all-rounded engineer. That will help you through the difficult times, but also help you to appreciate what you have, allow you to build networks. That's really important, your communication, your collaboration with your other colleagues. I would say patience is the big one. Don't be in a rush. Life goes quickly. Enjoy it, especially when you're young, because you'll miss it when you're a bit older.
Thank you so much for joining us, Paul. It was a pleasure talking with you.
Thank you, Colin, for the interview today, and thank you, Silicon Republic.
To find out more about the Career Close-Up series, be sure to check out siliconrepublic.com.